How we doing, folks? Welcome back. Start sitting cross-legged, I guess. But just wanted to go through some of the baits that we're going to be using today. It's going to be jerk baits, and jerk baits. These are all Rapala rip stops. I've never used this jerk bait before, so I'm going to try it out. I got a perch color, something pretty natural, a goby for some of the bigger lakes that we're fishing later this year, and like a Tennessee shad, Sneaky Pete type deal. And then Ned rigs. This is my favorite Ned rig color. It's called Mud Minnow, I believe. Yeah, Mud Minnow. Some Shrooms jig heads. These are apparently 1/6 ounce. I just always go off of the same size head. It's just a little bit bigger. And then I got some stuff for some dingy water. It's like a purple truce kind of thing. Green pumpkin goby, I guess that's what the official color name is. But yeah, I'm waiting for Brady right now. The dude's a little slacker. So, gonna fish some local ponds today. We might end up going to some ponds in some other towns. Right now we're in the city of Fond du Lac. I'm actually at my own high school. I'm not gonna film the high school because I don't want a lawsuit. Yeah, so it's gonna be a fun day. Again, waiting for Brady to show up because he's never fished this pond behind me before. And this pond is absolutely juice for frogs in the summertime, but I've never fished it this early in the season. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. You won't be pissed. This is also pretty shallow right here. It's only about probably 2 or 3 foot deep. So I guess it's actually not that clear. Yeah, Mitch said he doesn't really know him. He just knows him from fishing against him in tournaments. Yeah. Yep. Oh! That was, oh my god, dude! It was a bass. He freaking smoked us. I freaked out. Yeah, he like destroyed it right in front of me, and I pulled it up and I just yanked him completely out of the water. It wasn't very big.
Oh, really?
But oh my god, dude. He might be still sitting right there. Well, I mean, he came flying out of the water and I smacked him against the concrete. Yeah, that's on camera too. He put that, I saw him eat it. That was ridiculous. It's not like a, did you?
He's in there.
Yeah.
Like 4 feet in front of me.
Yep. There's just so many weeds over here.
Yeah, I can't believe I missed him the second time. That time he was like a jig bite.
He's got it.
He was there, right?
Bowfin.
You think so?
Broke me off, dude.
Yeah, but he would have fucked me up.
What
right?
the fuck?
He would have destroyed me.
How did he break that off?
I'm just using 15-pound
It's
line.
I just tied this knot.
He would destroy that Senko. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Stuck in him. Yep, he's got it. What the f?
I probably caught him like 12 or 13 times.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, he was running with it.
Fast?
Yep. Little guy.
Probably the same one.
Probably the one. He's fighting pretty hard.
Oh, yeah. Good pounder.
Yep. Go up here.
It's probably the exact same one.
Probably. You got my bait in your mouth?
Push.
First one.
Hit me up if you guys want Ned rig heads.
Yeah.
I make the best in the game.
Brady. BW Bassin custom Ned rig head. Nice little guy to start the day. That's about what they're like here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But A little bit bigger than that. It's a little small, but I wasn't paying attention. I just lifted up my rod, and my line was like all the way over there. Yeah. See,
I couldn't catch up to him. And I think he fell.
Yeah. Lakeside? No, but we should definitely go there today because it's been like the first few days where it's been like plus 40, so it's probably there.
Oh, did you see that thing?
Oh, that's a good one. Was that a bass?
Yeah, that was a bass. For sure. That was a big bass, too.
Yeah, that was a good one. That was like 2-pounder.
Dude, I was like, whoa, did you see that boil?
Yeah.
And he was on my bait.
Holy cow. They're friggin' over here. Holy man. That rod has no backbone.
No, dude.
No backbone. Oh my god. I saw you set the hook, it like didn't even...
Dude, if I would have...
That hook didn't even...
If I'd have started a rod, dude,
that fish, yeah.
For sure.
That hook just didn't penetrate.
This is a medium heavy.
Oh my god.
Don't ever buy a whiteford.
Yeah, that was a decent fish. A lot bigger than that one that I had. Are you kidding?
Oh, yeah, he's got another. Good one.
Yeah, a little better. It's probably about the size of that one you just had. Maybe a little smaller. Unwrap yourself.
Got him.
Think he's eating craws? Again, those red lips. Completely different looking fish too. Tick, tick, tick. That guy could be a twin to that first fish. A little bit different coloring. Decent though. Red lips, love that. See, but I can't wait for bed season there again. I gotta get you out there during bed season.
I'd like to go there bed season.
Because that was the one thing, we didn't do that last year.
I'd like
I
to
went
go
out.
there, and then you were saying Elkhart's pretty good.
Elkhart's ridiculous. Just for numbers. Big Green's good for size.
Oh yeah.
They're always gonna be spawning there.
Sure.
And there's always like 3 or 4 giants back there.
Really?
And like, so yeah, so, and as long as you get there before the throng of boats get there, and actually, it didn't even matter. We were like the 5th boat in there, and it was just this one channel. There were like 5 boats in one channel. Here we go. Oh, yep. He's running. Oh, what is this? Oh, that's a good one. There we go.
How much is this one?
That's a good one.
How many times, right?
I don't know. How big is he?
Get that.
Yeah.
Think you can try flip him, or I don't want to break your rod.
Oh, it's not going to break the rod.
Okay.
That's a better one. Did you actually bring a fairy wand today?
No, put it on there. That is that damn near fairy one.
That's a better one. About 1.5. Holy cow, is he running with that thing? This fish is cold. Feel it. Yeah, that water is not warm. But also, oh, we should say, this is April 1st. And this is the first day in history, I think, that Wisconsin has catch and release. Yeah, for bass fishing year-round, and it just came into effect today. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, yep. Oh,
I got a dollar.
another one.
Dude, I'm switching.
Holy cow, this one feels good too.
I'm switching.
That one's way back. Oh, that is a good one. Yeah, that's a lot better fish. Get out of there. That's about the same size.
Do you have any,
Jeez, it choked that thing. Holy cow. And they fight hard too. See, bud? There you go. Oh, I saw that. Yeah. Seeing that line jump. Yeah. There you go. Wow. They are freaking stacked in there. Yeah, that is a good one. Nice. First bass of the year. Nice.
Nice.
There you go. Any hook marks in?
No.
Wow.
All right.
Clean fish. Ridiculous. I was not expecting this. Biggin.
Dude, again.
Biggin.
Really?
Yeah. good one. He's fat. Oh my God, look how fat he is. Oh, I think I got him, but I just lifted up and it was dead weight. That's a good one. There we go. No, it's about the same size. He's just fat. Yeah, pudgy belly. Look at that. Oh man. Oh, watch this. Watch this. Ready? Oh no, he was hooked, but it looked like it was just pressure. Really? Missed him. Oh my God. We are absolutely annihilating the bassies right now. This is probably 8, I think. It's definitely 6 or 7 for me. Brady just got 1, so we're definitely on about 8 fish. So
Pull my pants down.
this is decent size, nothing giant, but fun to be out here just catching fish. It's fun. See, bud. Nice. I literally just turned the camera off and B fucking wrecks the slow guy.
On the jig.
Did I not just say that they'd probably hit a jig? Oh, the sun is out and we're back at the first spot. And Brady stole my cast. I'm just kidding.
One time with us?
No. No,
Really?
never. Yep. Wow.
That was quick.
Little guy, I think. Oh no, good one. Head first in the mud. Yeah, that's a good one. Wasn't fighting as hard as the other ones though. Oh, he's barely hooked. There we go. That's probably the biggest one of the day, eh?
Yeah.
Close to it. No, maybe not. Wow, it was like what, third cast? Third cast back here.
Crazy.
Unreal. Why did we leave again?
Uh-huh.
Fresh fish too. No hook marks. Unreal. Yeah, because we're going on probably 14 right now. This is my hook mark right there. Nothing else. But again, he could be twins with about 10 that we caught earlier. See you, bub. So interesting that there's rock out there. You wouldn't even think that. There you go. Good and little guy. Why did we leave again? Who suggested leaving? Oh my God. Hang on a second. That little guy. Gone. Freaking nommed. Okay. Carp derp. Derpy derp.
I gotta figure out.
Oh, that was almost a double, dude. I just got pounded. Yeah, you did. Poor little guy. Damn. Is that gonna be your last one of the day?
I don't know. No, I might be out here a little more.
Yeah. Come on, one more.
I don't know.
Son of a. I might have put the hook in him too. Good spot. Yeah. Good spot.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Shitty at the end. That's fine. We probably fished it out honestly, but
Oh yeah.
whatever. We caught. Had to be close to 20 fish out of this tiny little spot. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Next time it'll be with him as well on a lake in a boat. Hopefully, if we catch a fish. If we don't catch a fish, I won't make a video. See you.